Hello and welcome back to your geography class. I'm your geography teacher Sukhdeep Kaur. Today we are going to continue our going on chapter, of course, chapter number 5, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. But we are going to discuss new topics. So today's class is particularly focused on medicinal plants and about the wildlife. So in whole we are going to learn about the usage of medicinal plants and wildlife and the usage of vegetation and wildlife. Either or concerns can be considered. So talking about the medicinal plants, we do have certain kind of varieties of the certain medicinal plants that are of various purposes, health concern we are talking about, and after that we will discuss about the animals as well. So India is known for its herbs and spices, not from now, since centuries, from ancient times. Around 2000 medicinal plants are present in India as it is described in the Ayurveda. And out of these 2000 plants, 500 plants do come in regular use. So, different things are being manufactured in the terms of medicine. According to the World Conservation Union's red list, red means alarming situation, 352 are in total the medicinal plants present all over the world. 52 are critically threatened. It means they are almost on the verge of extinguishment, and 49 are endangered, almost going to extinct. So these are almost going to extinct, and it will take a bit of time. You can consider a thin line difference between the critically threatened and the endangered medicinal plants. Commonly used plants for the medicinal purpose in India are Sarpagandha, Jamun, Arjun, Babool, Neem, Tulsi and Kachnar. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about their usages, that which body part is treated with the help of their either or parts. So first of all, Sarpagandha, it is used to treat blood pressure and it is found only in India. So quite a critical species. Jamun, this juice, so the juice extracted from this jamun fruit, a ripe fruit, is used to prepare vinegar. Vinegar is used in various kitchen purposes. Various dishes are being prepared, within which one of the ingredient is to be the vinegar. Other than that, vinegar is of carminative and directive along with digestive properties. It means vinegar do comprises acid controlling factors. It also helps in the good functioning of the kidney along with digestive properties. So it helps in the reduction of the gas or acidity within our body and helps in good digestion. It's a seed powder. After drying up the seed of the jamun fruit, the seed powder is prepared and it is used for controlling diabetes also. So good for sugar patients. Talking about the arjun, so it's a fresh juice of leaves as a cure of earache. Whenever aches occur in your ears at that time, it is also used to regulate blood pressure. Then comes babool. Its leaves are used as a cure for eye sores. Reddishness in your eyes. Sometimes it appears due to the climate change, season change, or various other concerns are there. Its gum is used as a tonic, health tonic for the better immunity part. Neem, it is an antibacterial medicinal plant, so it has high antibiotic and antibacterial properties that helps to resist the disease, resist against diseases. Tulsi, it is a good cure to cough and cold. You can add the tulsi leaves within your tea, within your milk, or you can drink them while just boiling them in the plain water as well. Kachunar, so it is used to cure asthma and ulcers in your mouth also. Ulcers do occur sometime. Buds and roots of kachunar are good for digestive problems. So again, good for entire digestive system of your stomach. Good for the acidity, gas factors. Talking about the wildlife part, like its flora, like the vegetation, India is also rich in its fauna. Fauna resources, wildlife resources. So animal species in India, about 90,000 species are present in India. We are talking about the wildlife, more than the vegetation part. And along with the animal, we do have bird species that are around about 2,000. It constitutes 13% of the world's total amount of bird species present all over the world itself. Fish species, if we have to talk about, we do have 2,546 types of fish species. It constitutes 12% of the world's fish species. India also shares about 5 to 8% of the world's amphibians, reptiles and mammals, certain kind of animals. Talking about the various usages or the regions they are present in, either or features will be there for almost whatsoever kind of animals we are going to discuss. So for the element, these are the most majestic animal. We do experience a royal feeling whenever if someone has taken the ride onto the elephant in that part. Otherwise, it is huge, bulky. It gives us what to be considered for. It gives us a unique feeling if we stand by it or if we do take a ride onto it. So majestic is a wonderful feeling. So most majestic animal among the mammals found in the, I hope you are from the science faculty as well, because science is your prominent subject within the 9th grade, and as you are in 9th grade, so I don't think so I have to give you the description of mammals, amphibians and the reptiles part. So these are found in hot wet forests of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. Then comes one-horned rhinoceros. You can see this unique feature. So it lives in swampy and marshy, not at all the clean environment to be considered, of Assam and West Bengal. So these regions can come in your questions as well. Wildlife is found in arid areas, arid dry areas of the Rann of Kutch. This is the picture or image of us. Camel, it is also known as the ship of the desert. So it is found in the Thar desert. And I don't have to particularly share the picture of camel, but still it's there. Indian bison, nilgai, also known as blue bull. Then chausinga. Chaw means four. So four-horned antelope, gazelle, different species of deer and several species of monkeys are also found in India. Talking about the Protection Act related to the wildlife itself. So Wildlife Protection Act was introduced by the Indian government in the year 1972. So it was implemented in the year 1972, and according to this act and according to information provided through this act, India is the only place where both lion and tigers are found. Now, India is the only country in the world that has both lions and tigers. Indian lion, talking about the habitat, where exactly the Indian lion is found in India, only at a prominent place in Gujarat, that is Gir forest. So the natural habitat of the Indian lion is Gir forest of Gujarat. So the Gir forest is the last remaining habitat of Asiatic lion, as it is only present in India also. Talking about the tiger, it is found in the forests of Madhya Pradesh, Sundarbans of West Bengal and forests of Himalayan region. So Sundarbans are also the forests that are prominently found in the West Bengal region. There only forms the Sundarban Delta. Leopard, it is also a member of the cat family, sibling of cat to be considered. So the Himalayas harbor a hardy range of animals which survive in extreme cold conditions. So certain kind of animals, creatures, they can survive in extreme conditions, likewise extreme cold, only they are found. So Ladakh's freezing high altitudes are the home to certain and particular and a few wildlife only. Likewise, yak is there. Shaggy horned wildlock is also found, and its weight is to be around 1 ton. Quite a heavy and bulky animal. Besides than that, Tibetan antelope, bharal, also known as blue sheep, wild sheep, kiang, Tibetan wild ass, ibex, bear, snow leopard, rare red panda. And these are particularly found in the certain pockets, low-lying area in between the mountain ranges of Himalayas only. Animals in the rivers, lakes and coastals. So we are talking about the turtles, crocodiles, gharials, etc. over here. Again, these are also the cousins only, because their appearance is almost same. Either or features do vary. They do vary in their this, teeth and the shape of their mouth. It is quite lengthy one, but crocodiles don't have that huge length of their mouth. So there are certain either or features that do vary among these three of them. That was, by the way, the image of ghadial. Birds in India, so certain types of birds are found along with the in total that we have learned. So peacocks, parakeets, pheasants, cranes, ducks, pigeons, and certain unique kind of bird is also found in there. We are going to discuss in this chapter only, don't worry, probably in this class itself. So we have selected our crops from biodiversity or biodiverse environment, that is from the reserve of edible plants that can be eaten. We also experimented and selected many medicinal plants. So every plant is not used for the medicinal purpose and every plant is not edible. So certain kind of plants are used for the crop part and the medicinal plants part. Milch animal also provided us drought power. Drought power, so such kind of animals are helpful within the agriculture part, as along with the agriculture they do help in वजन होने को क्या बोलते हैं. So along with the agriculture, such kind of animals do help us in carrying weight from one place to another. So they are, as this is the particular topic I was talking about, they help us to carry weight from. So transportation, meat, eggs. So these are particularly to be extracted from the milch animals. Talking about the fish, they do provide nutri-food. Yeah, many people consume fish as well. Many insects, so they do help in pollination of crops and fruit trees. Pollination is a process, again scientifically it can be clearly more understandable. Exerting biological control of such insects is harmful, because if we are controlling their count, our agriculture and the certain natural processes are going to be intervened, as in the process of pollination of crops. Then migratory birds, the prominent bird I was talking about, I'll show you the image of that. So a rich natural heritage is present in India, not from now, since ages, of the migratory birds. What are migratory birds? Similarly, as the people do migration from one place to another, the reasons are completely opposite to the migration of the bird. So migratory birds are the birds that move from one place to another according to their seasons adaptation. So some of the wetlands of India, wetlands are the certain areas, surrounded by water. I won't say the lakes particularly or deep depth water bodies. We are just talking about the wetlands that have the availability of water quite in good amount. So some of the wetlands of India are popular with migratory birds. During winter, certain season, birds come in large numbers, particularly Siberian crane. One such place favorable with birds is Run of Kutch. And if you know something about Rajasthan, so Bharatpur is a district of Rajasthan state, and there lies a bird sanctuary, Kevladev Bird Sanctuary. It is quite famous for the migratory birds as well, and it is to be said as the heaven for the bird watchers. At a place where the desert merges with the sea, these are also the certain areas where these migratory birds do visit. So flamingo is the particular bird, and this is the image. Isn't it beautiful? It does have a white, foamy and pink appearance, and due to the weather's impact, as in it is to be the dusk time when the sun sets. So before sunset, it becomes pink everywhere within the sky. It catches that color, and it also appears to be of pink color at that time. So flamingo with their brilliant pink, automatically or naturally it does acquire the pink color, but at that time it becomes complete pink. So plumage come in thousands to build a nest mounds from the salty mud and raise their young ones, particularly in India. It is one among many extraordinary sights in the country. So people do invest hours to watch these flamingo birds, how they care their young ones and all. So that was all about our today's class. So basically we have discussed about the medicinal plants and the wildlife, if they are of any purpose. We have discussed that, and where exactly they are found in the particular region. We have discussed that part too. Now is the time to recall the things that we have discussed. So here is the first question. The one-horned rhinoceros is primarily found in which states? So West Bengal and Assam. Question number 2, Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in which year? So 1972 is the correct answer. Lastly, which is the only country in the world that has both tigers and lions? None other than India. So answer is India. So that was all about our today's class. See you soon within the next class with the continuation of our going on chapter number 5. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.